Create this Noodles poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 736 by 920 pixels. First, change the background color to black. Go to Elements and add a wooden table. Remove the background and crop the extra parts. Adjust the size and position. Go to Edit and then Adjust. Set the saturation to 100. Import the image. Remove the background and crop the extra part. Adjust the size and position. Go to Elements and add a shadow. Go to the position and drag the shadow under the image. Add a text. Change the font to HK Modular. Adjust the size and position. Change the transparency to 15. Duplicate this text several times. Go to the position. Press the Control key and select all the text layers and change the position under the Noodles image. Add another text. Change the font to Amsterdam 4. Add a text again. Change the font to Norwester. Make it uppercase and change the color to vibrant orange color. Adjust the size and position. Add a text again. Change the font to Montserrat and make it uppercase. Add a leaf. Make it 70% blur. Adjust the size and position. Make it duplicate. Add a red chili. Make it 70% burr as well. Flip it vertically and then horizontally. Duplicate this. Flip it vertically. Add a garlic, make it 70% blur. Add a call icon. Add a circle. Make it white color. Change the position to backward. Go to the position and change the icon color to orange. Select the circle and make it bigger to cover the dial icon. Select both and make it a group. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this text. Make it lowercase. Duplicate this text and enter the phone number. Add an Order Now button. Change the color to vibrant orange. Add your brand logo and name. I'm adding a demo logo from the Canva library. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video and get this design template, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.